Come in.
Ma'am, para sa inyo po.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Galing kay Edwin.
Well, what can I say? Okay, Iha, I have to go now.
Okay. Thank you, Ninong.
Anytime. See you.
Okay.
Yes, I think NeoTrade is strong enough to ignite positive feedback on its own. And we can very well choose control for some of our products. And openness for others, right? Arnel, could you supply all the members of the board a complete and updated list of all our products?
Yes, ma'am.
Meeting adjourned.
Very well.
Leah, can you help me with that?
We'll
list?
see you later.
Yeah, sure.
That was a pretty good meeting.
Thanks.
Ninong,
Yeah,
may I talk to you in my office, please?
sure.
Thank you.
May problema ba? Is it about Edwin?
No, Ninong.
Well, I must admit that your father was so impressed with Edwin when he was still working with us. But when you got married, he was so worried. Pero kasi, ikaw ang unika iha, wala siyang magawa. At bago namatay ang papa mo, pinagbiling ka niya sa akin. Dahil let's face it, ako lang ang natitira mong kamag-anak na malapit sa'yo. So if there's anything that's bothering you, just let me know. Okay, Iha?
Come in.
Ma'am, para sa inyo po.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Galing kay Edwin.
Well, what can I say? Okay, Iha, I have to go now.
Okay. Thank you, Ninong.
Anytime. See you.
Okay. Hello?
This is your secret admirer.
Ikaw talaga.
You like the flowers?
Of course, I love the flowers.
Yung roses, bright ko sa'yo yan para pumayag kang makipaglan sa akin.
Good morning, sir.
Eh, alam ko naman hindi mo matatanggihan. So, paano tayo? Melis, 30 minutes?
Sure.
By the way,
Mahigpit kong pinagbiling kina Manang Bining at Jess na wag magpapasok ng kahit sino sa bahay.
yung ibang katulong ba sinabihan mo?
Oh. Edwin, what's wrong? This past few days, medyo...
Sweetheart, sa panahon ngayon mahirap na. You can never tell kung anong mangyayari.
Okay.
Malu? Malu! May tawag ka sa telepono.
Salamat po. Hello? Sino to?
Malu, si Rose ito.
Oh, Rose! Uy! Ay, Rose.
Naku, pasensya ka na ha. Nakatulog kasi itong alaga ko kanina eh.
Naku, hindi okay lang yon. Hello, Abby! Hello! Uy, ano ba yung itinawag mo sa aking sorpresa kanina sa telepono?
Eh, di ba kasi naghahanap ka pa rin ng trabaho? Meron kasi akong kasamahan na aalis. Eh, gusto sana kitang irekomenda kay ma'am. Kaya lang, baka naman mapahiya ako kay Ma'am Cindy.
Naku, Rose, hindi ka mapapahiya sa akin. Sige na, Rose.
Sa bagay, mukha ka namang mabait eh. Sasabihin ko na lang na magkamag-anak tayo.
O sige, talaga? Salamat ah. Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Siya po ang ating Maluko. Yung sinasabi ko po sa inyong pinsan ko po, ma'am.
Upo muna tayo dito. Upo ka. Alis ang labandera ko next week. Nako, di bali na akong walang cook, pero ang labandera, importante sa akin yon. Pwede ka na ba magsimula ngayon?
Opo.
2,500 a month ang starting mo. Pero kung gusto ko ang trabaho mo, after 3 months, dadagdagan ko yon.
Paghuhusayan ko po.
Sige, dahil pinsan ka naman ni Rose, hindi na kita hingan na recommendation o kaya NBI o barangay clearance. Pero Rose, ikaw ang mananagot sa kanya.
Wala po kayong dapat alalahanin, ma'am.
O sige, maiwan ko muna kayo ha. Salamat.
Salamat po, ma'am.
O ayan, tanggap ka na.
Salamat, Rose.